In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Udemy courses. Whether you're not satisfied with a particular course or you simply made a purchase by mistake, getting a refund is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step to ensure you can navigate it with ease. First, head over to the Udemy Support Center. This is where you'll find comprehensive resources, including their official refund policy page titled How to Refund a Course. Once you're on this page, it's important to familiarize yourself with Udemy's refund policy. Typically, eligible courses purchased can be refunded within 30 days of purchase. So make sure your request falls within this time frame. Next, you'll want to access your purchase history. This section is available when you log into your Udemy account, and it's where you can review all the courses you've bought. Scan through your purchase list to locate the course you wish to get a refund for. Having the course title handy will make this part a lot quicker. Once you've identified the course you want a refund for, look directly below the course title for the Request Refund button. Clicking this will take you to the Refund Request page. If you purchase multiple courses in a single transaction, this page will allow you to expand your shopping cart to view all courses. You can then click Request Refund below each specific course title. After that, you'll need to select your preferred refund method. You might have the option to receive a refund back to your original payment method, or alternatively, you can choose to get Udemy credits. These credits can be a good option if you plan on purchasing another course soon. Now comes an important part: entering your refund reason. Be honest and clear about why you're requesting a refund. Udemy uses this information not only to process your request efficiently, but also to improve their courses and service. Putting in a reason also helps ensure that your refund request complies with their guidelines. Once you've completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation from Udemy. Refunds usually take a few days to process, so keep an eye on your email for updates. And there you have it, a simple, clear pathway to securing a refund on Udemy courses. Make sure to periodically check your purchase history for updates, or if you need to repeat this process for another course. Understanding how and when you can get a refund is a vital skill, especially as you embark on your learning journey with various online platforms like Udemy. Remember to keep track of the purchase date and course access time to stay within the eligibility window. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy learning.